Oh, that's cool. Oh, I wish you did that again. Would you do that again so I can get a picture?
Oh.
Would you do that again?
Okay.
Yeah, I want to get a picture of that. That was neat. Hang on. Oh, one more, hang on. I wasn't ready. Hold on. Hang on, hey, hold on. It's an old camera. Okay, now go. Ah, perfect. Thank you so much. That's neat. Hey guys, do you mind if I get a picture of you with that hair? I do street photography, and you can't have hair like that and not have people take pictures. Cool, thanks. Hang on. That is so cool.
I don't know how to pose.
No, that was perfect. Thank you so much. And I love the hair. Love the hair. I want to take his picture, man. Oh. Damn it, missed it. Stand right here. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you there. Can I take your picture real quick? I just go around and take pictures of people. Here, I'll give you a card so you don't, nothing weird about it. But here, let me I get new camera. I just testing the camera out. So just sit there. There we go. Actually, need some sun. There we go, just like that. Perfect. One or two more here. And one more. Excellent. If you want to send me an email, I'll send you a copy of it if you want one.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Can I get your picture too? You got a neat looking. There we go. Okay, let me get you. Let's see. I want to get you over here this way where the sun is. There we go, just like that. That's perfect, right there. All right, let's try. Hang on. Here we go. Let me take one or two more here, and one more. Excellent. And I'll send you a copy.
All right, bro.
All right, thanks, man. Hey guys, how we doing? Just a quick interruption here, no more than 60 seconds or so, to tell you what we're using and what we're working with in this video. It's a Brightin Star manual 50mm 1.4 lens. An excellent lens. Metal casing, not cheap, not plastic. This thing's less than $100, maybe $68 to $80, something like that. A great little lens. It's tough to use for street photography as any 50mm lens would be, but this is a very good quality. I almost like using a manual lens more than I do an autofocus lens for street photography because you can get, if you're using it, you just get a little more clear, I think, in my opinion. If you're using the focus peaking along with the manual lens, even if you're half blind, it's not difficult to do. And that was one reason I stayed away from manual lenses for a long time because I thought, well, I would have to put my glasses on to see and all that stuff. But with focus peaking, you get that red outline in there, and it's actually almost easier because you're looking at the red outline. You're not even looking at the subject. Get your framing right, look for the outline in red, and boom, click it, boom, you're good to go. But it's more creative, I think. It brings out the creative juices. You're using it on a Fuji X-T1 or an X-T2, X-T3, something like that. You just feel like you're almost shooting film. So I really like the lens. I like using manual lenses. I've got 3 Brightin Star lenses. This is my 3rd one. Happy with all of them. You can see my 10mm street photography video using the Brightin Star 10mm. That was posted a couple videos before this one. I'll be making another video using this lens and the 10mm as well to kind of show actually how the lens works and the bokeh and things like that you really get. And again, these are very quality lenses. There's no plastic here. These are solid lenses. Very, very nice on the focus ring. It's not real loose or whatever. And the aperture ring, it doesn't click. So if you're using video, this is great for that. I love these lenses. What do you think? Do you own a Brightin Star lens? Do you use a manual lens for street photography or for any photography? Let me know what you think, guys. Meanwhile, let's get back to the video. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you on the next one. Can I take your picture real quick? I'm testing out a camera.
Oh, sure.
Okay, I appreciate that. I know it's kind of weird, but... Excellent, thank you so much. I can send you a copy if you want. Okay, thank you very much. Ma'am, can I take a quick picture of you? You've got a color, I'm a street photographer, you just got a colorful dress and you look so casual and...
Really? Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I know it's kind of a weird thing, but...
Yeah.
Excellent, one more here. Excellent, thank you so much. That is a nice dress. Okay. Excuse me. I'm a street photographer. Can I take your picture? You just got a cool look to you. Just a real quick one.
What's it for?
Just personal use. I'm a street photographer. Walk around, just take pictures of the street.
Sure.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. You just got a really unique look going there. I like that. Excellent. Thank you so much. I'll do something here with these chairs. Walking through here as they're walking. They saw it. Okay. This is such a hard one to do because it's such a long lens. Usually I can just walk by and click it.
Like that one?
Huh? Like, okay, I'm gonna sit here and get this guy on his bike here. Just act like I'm shooting other stuff, and then I'll zoom in on them. So I always point out. Hey guys, can I take your picture real quick? I'm a street photographer, walk around. I appreciate your service and everything, and
You can take it in a natural.
I got, well, yeah, that's better. Okay, there we go. I appreciate it, guys. I got you. You're more of a natural model than you realize, my man. I do appreciate your service, guys. Thank you. Oh, come on, buddy. Shit. Then when I sit here, nobody walks across. Oh. Ah. Damn it, and it sucks when they walk by in clumps too. Oh yeah, they're too far away. No, they're not. I'll try to take this picture through the glass. That's not very easy.